Hey guys, my name is Jana, and today I would like to share with you some of the best companies that provide personal loans. But first, let me start with my own story and give you a little bit more background. I moved to the States a few years ago, and it hasn't always been the easy journey for me. Just so you know, life happens, and it happened to me quite a few times. Over these few years, I've had issues with my car that I had to repair very quick. I also had some health issues which resulted in unexpected medical bills and some other situations that I don't want to get into the details, but the thing is, I needed the money and I needed it quick. I tried going to the banks and credit unions, but for these situations, through my experience, I found out that the best thing you can do is to get a quick and easy personal loan. These types of loans are unsecured, which means they don't require a collateral such as a car or a house, and it's easy to get. You just have to have proof of income and provide your identity. You just need the proof of your identity and proof that you have a regular income. And personal loans are usually paid back in their monthly installments. There are no specific limitations on how the personal loans have to be used, and once you're approved, you can use the money the way you can use the funds the way you desire. Usually these loans are used for debt consolidation, also for emergency and unexpected situations. It can be used for home renovations or for repair or maintenance of the car. So let me get to the companies I think are the best for these types of loans. I'll start with 24/7 CreditNow. It's a company that prides itself in giving personal loans to people who are in need. Let me start with the 24/7 CreditNow. The company prides itself in giving personal loans very quickly to customers of all credit types. Customers love the easy application process, including me. And it's really fast, easy, and quick way to get the money you need immediately. Another unique feature of 24/7 CreditNow is that it doesn't have a negative impact on the prospective customer's credit, which is amazing. So it has potentially lower rates, flexible loan amounts and terms, no fees or upfront money required, and it has a really good customer service support. You can get up to $35,000 and repayment terms between 1 and 6 years, which is really great. Retired persons or self-employed persons are welcome to apply if needed. And the lenders permit co-signers to help customers with poor credit score. 24/7 CreditNow is an online marketplace for lenders and borrowers. You can get up to $35,000 when you apply, and it has over 100 lenders it can connect you with. So here's a homepage. It takes 2-3 minutes to complete the process. It's safe and secure, and you get the decision within the minutes. So all you have to do is fill this simple form when you choose the loan amount, type in your email, mobile number, and the last 4 digits of the social security number. Then you agree to the terms and conditions and proceed to the next step. But basically how it works is also displayed here. You submit the details, your application goes through, and as early as the next day you can receive the funds on your checking or savings account. If you're approved, you'll get connected with a lending partner. Then you sign on your loan offer, and as I said before, the money will be deposited in your account. The service is free, no hidden fees, reliable and dependable, as you can see on many reviews online. The results are speedy, and it's basically a simple, hassle-free process when you don't have to go to the bank and sit face-to-face with the lending officer. It can be exhausting, it can be stressful. Here, everything is done online. In case you have some other questions, there is a FAQ section right here, and also you can contact the 24/7 CreditNow and get more customer support. Here is a more detailed explanation of how the website works. It's a longer period of time than your traditional payday loan. As I said, anywhere from 1 year to 6 years you can take to repay it back. So you fill in the online form to receive an online decision from a lender within the minutes. Then you sign off, good to go. The next business day, the money is in your bank account. There are some requirements, which include the valid checking or savings account, the direct deposit option. You have to be at least 18 years old, be a US citizen or permanent resident, and the minimum regular income of $800 per month. So if you meet all the qualifications, there shouldn't be any issues, and you will be connected with one of the lenders from the network. The rates will differ based on your credit score, as it always works this way. They can't give you the exact information on the website, it says right here, because the rate and terms vary based on your state of residence and the lender. As soon as you are connected to the lender and loan is approved, the interest rates and fees will be provided for you. Here are some other details regarding the renewal policy and what happens if you don't pay the loan back on time. And again, all the content information is here. If you prefer to call, you can always do it. The phone number is right here for new loan requests, or you can just provide your email and send this form. So if you have a good credit, you will find yourself paying back your personal loan at just a little as 5.99%. But if your credit score is not that good, it can go up to anywhere from 5.99 to 35.99. So the better credit score you have, the less percentage you will have to pay. Poor credit always results in the high rates, unfortunately. 24/7 CreditNow is perfect for the customer who has good credit score and will pay back on time. This on time meaning can be a few years, but if you have a poor credit and would struggle to pay the loan in 5 or 6 years, that might not be a good option for you. But 24/7 CreditNow has a really good customer score and rating, lots of positive reviews online, and I don't know, just in general, the customer support system is great, flexible terms, also the hassle-free process that you can do in the comfort of your own home, and it's a quick and easy way to get the money you need immediately, because as I said, the decision is made within 90 seconds. You're connected to the lender, and the next day you can get the money in your bank account, which is amazing. I personally highly recommend this company because I've never had issues with them. It's always been there for me. The other company is the Eagle Cash Loans. It's also an online marketplace that can connect you to many lenders with just a single online application. You can borrow up to $35,000 and repay the loan over several years. Because you get the loan offers from several lenders, you have a greater chance of finding the lender willing to borrow your money and make you an offer. All loans are set up as installment plans with fixed rates and fixed monthly payments. Eagle Cash Loans also has the quick approval process, takes 2 to 3 minutes to get a decision, and the money can be in your bank account the next day. So you go under Get Started, you choose the loan amount, type in your email, mobile phone, and the last 4 digits of the social security number. Then you press next steps, and it will ask you for some additional information such as your residential address, proof of income, and some other things. How it works. So here you can get information on what is an installment loan, if that's your first time. And again, the process is hassle-free and easy, just 3 steps. You fill out the online form, then you receive your online decision within a few minutes. And if approved, then you have to agree to terms and conditions and electronically sign your loan agreement. In the most cases, the funds will be in your account as soon as the next business day. So a few requirements which are pretty similar to the requirements 24/7 CreditNow offers. 24/7 CreditNow has. You have to have a valid checking or savings account with a direct deposit option. You have to be at least 18 years of age, must be a US citizen or permanent resident, and minimum regular income is $800 per month. So under the rates and fees, you'll have more detailed information. They don't charge any fees, and there are no hidden fees as the lender pays all the fees, so you don't have to. The actual rates and fees and information will be provided after you are approved for a loan. It varies based on the state, based on the lender. And again, the renewal policy disclosure, and some information what happens if you don't pay back the loan on time. There is a contact us page where you could get more information. You have to have at least a fair credit score to be able to get the loans. And when the score is fair, the interest rate is closer to 35.99%. But when you have a good credit score, it can be 5.99%, which is great. So the better is the score you have, the less you have to pay. So the online marketplace makes approval more likely than with a single lender. The online application eliminates face-to-face offline meetings. It has fast approval process and funding, and it doesn't have a collateral requirement, which is very, very important, especially it was for me as an immigrant. And you can get very high loan amounts up to $35,000, as I previously said, but you have to have active savings or checking account with direct deposit in order to receive the loan, and you have to have a decent credit score, because with the poor credit you most likely won't get the loan. It has at least to be fair. So Eagle Cash Loans I also highly recommend, and I think it's a great company and easy way to get the money when you most need it. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Have a nice day.